Maya, did you send the email to the client? Maya, did you send it?
I thought you said tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Oh, no. I know what you're thinking. How did I forget the most important email on my first day? Well, let me show you what happened. Okay, Maya. First day. Don't be nervous. Just smile, be professional, and please, don't do anything embarrassing. Good morning! Wow. Tough crowd. Excuse me, where is desk 24? Over there. Thank you.
This is my desk.
What? Oh! I'm so sorry. Wrong desk.
No problem.
30 seconds in the office, and I'm already causing problems. No! No.
It's okay. Everyone has a bad first day.
Thank you. I was hoping mine would start tomorrow.
Good morning, Maya.
Good morning, sir.
Please send the client email ASAP. Also, check the meeting schedule.
Okay.
Thank you.
ASAP? I've never met Mr. ASAP before. Excuse me, where does ASAP sit? ASAP isn't a person. It's not? It means as soon as possible. Oh, can we pretend that never happened? This was my first mistake. When you don't understand something, don't guess. Say, could you repeat that, please? Repeat after me. Could you repeat that, please? Again. Could you repeat that, please? Great job.
Hi, I'm Mr. Johnson.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Jackson.
Johnson, not Jackson.
Sorry. Johnson.
That's right.
Please don't tell anyone.
No promises.
Where's everybody going? The meeting. Meeting? What meeting? The meeting at 10. 10? Nobody told me 10. Oh, nobody told me because I forgot to ask. This phrase is very useful. What time is the meeting? Repeat after me. What time is the meeting? Again. What time is the meeting? Excellent.
Maya, did you send the email?
The email?
Yes, the client email.
I thought you meant tomorrow.
No, I meant today.
Oh, no. I'm so sorry.
Please send it now.
Right away. Worst first day ever. This is what I should have said earlier. I'll send it right away. Repeat after me. I'll send it right away. Again. I'll send it right away. Today will be different, I hope.
Please send the client email.
I'll send it right away.
Good. Please update the report before lunch.
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Of course. Please update the report before lunch.
Thank you. I understand. What time is the meeting?
2:00.
Great. Thank you.
Maya.
Yes, sir?
Good job.
Really?
Yes. Keep asking questions when you don't understand.
I will.
Good.
Did you hear that? He said good job. Today, I learned 5 things. Number 1, ask questions. Number 2, don't guess. Number 3, write important information down. Number 4, learn useful workplace phrases. Number 5, mistakes are okay. Just learn from them. Honestly, this morning, I thought my first day was a complete disaster. I sat at the wrong desk. I spilled coffee everywhere. I missed an important email, and I almost missed a meeting. But today, I learned something important. You don't need perfect English. You just need to keep asking questions and keep trying. Now, I want to hear from you. What is your biggest fear about speaking English at work? Write your answer in the comments below. And if this story helped you practice English, please like this video and share it with a friend who is learning English too. Don't forget to subscribe to Speak With Me English.